So this is Champion Tires Facts Unboxing. We'll cover everything in detail. How to get them, you can watch the video in the description. So the first content we are having is a cloud logo brick set. Now here you can see these are the colorful bricks which you can join and build a puzzle. So comment down below, are you ready to solve it or you'll just keep it as it is. Now here you can see we have the puzzle guide also, so that you are not stuck with any progress. So you can just try solving it by reading it. Now we have another content, that is our blue hoodie, the special hoodie. So this is the hoodie. Let me just show you. It is a really very good hoodie by White Square team, and the quality is also okay. Now you can clearly see it has a Google logo in it, and the quality you can clearly see. It's good for winter season. You'll not feel cold over here. You can see it has two pockets, and unlike the normal traditional hoodie, it does not come with zip. Means you have to wear directly. So this is the hoodie. Now let's see the another content of it. So we have the laptop sleeve and stand. So this is laptop sleeve and stand with a mini pouch where you can keep your SSDs and mostly mouse also. Okay, pen drive also. This is the card by the Google team, and this is the main theme, that is the laptop sleeve. So let me just show you. Here you can keep your laptop. Okay, and at the back side you can see this is the stand. So like this you have to just keep it and you can just add your laptop over here, but I won't recommend use it as a stand. Okay, now we have another contents over here. We have the pen and that light also. So let me just take out all the contents. Okay, so this is a light. So it is a multicolor camping light, you can see. This is type C chargeable. It is a chargeable device. You can charge it also. So let me just show you. So this is actually how it looks. You can see multiple color function. Okay. So like this, you have to just switch it. It has two buttons on left and right. You can press it and you can see here it is type C charged. Now the next thing is that we have a USB hub, and it is mostly local USB hub, you can see, and it is type C and type A powered, and also it does not contain any HDMI cable, but most of your works will be done over here. Now we have another two simple pens. Earlier it was a colorful logo pen, light up logo pen, but seeing lots of people are participating, they just discontinued and made it a normal pen. So it is a magnetic pen. So subscribe the channel and follow for more contents.